Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green. Welcome to Texas. And the question I get asked frequently is, when is the best time of year to plant here in Texas? And most people think it's spring, and actually that's not correct. The best time of year to plant is in fall. Next best is winter. Third best is spring, and then fourth is summer. If you choose the right plants, you can plant all 4 seasons, but the best time of year to plant is in the fall, and the reason for that actually makes sense. That in the fall, once you put those plants in, every warm day that we have throughout the winter, and we do have quite a few warm days, every warm day that we have, all from winter, fall through the spring, those plants are setting their roots and getting established so that by the time summer comes around, you won't have to water nearly as much. That said, again, if you choose the right plants, you can plant in the summertime. It simply means we need to pick right, and then we have to really be on top of our game on how we're going to be watering those plants. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.